Classic.
Joe Freshgoods has officially revealed his 12th collaboration with the New Balance. The 1890 model is the one currently featured by the brand's creative collaborators. This time, Joe presents two designs inspired by late 90s hit songs, Finger Waves and Naughty Things. EQL giveaways for both pairs ran from April 20th to 23rd, 2026, and a wider global release took place on April 30th, 2026. Since the official giveaways and initial releases have ended, you can still find pairs on secondary markets. Stay here for all the details of this release and an in-depth look at both shoes. Leveraging a network of collaborators is one of the surest ways for brands to launch new models, and New Balance is certainly no stranger to such collaborations. Following its debut with a collaboration with Action Bronson and a small series of regular line models, the hybrid New Balance 1890 recently debuted in partnership with Joe Freshgoods. As a follow-up to the acclaimed New Balance 2010 Hand-Me-Downs collection and JFG's Bag Lady collection from last year, Joe has now opted for a more modern, retro-inspired design, imbuing it with a concept rooted in the era of 90s rap music videos that shaped his childhood. The Joe Fresh New Balance 1890 pack pulls directly from the visual language of the late 1990s and early 2000s, especially the bold color, distortion, and larger-than-life styling made famous on MTV. Hype Williams' futuristic direction plays a major role here, with Joe using that era's unforgettable energy as the foundation for both pairs. The result is a project that feels tied to music, fashion, and memory all at once. The two colorways, Finger Waves and Naughty Things, have not yet been officially tied to specific songs or videos. What has been made clear is that both pairs pull inspiration from the bold visuals and unmistakable attitude of rap videos, with references to artists like Busta Rhymes, Janet Jackson, Missy Elliott, and Juvenile helping shape the overall direction of the project. One pair arrives in a fiery orange, yellow, and black mix, while the other leans into purple tones with glossy black overlays, giving each shoe its own distinct identity within the same nostalgic theme. Special packaging helps push the concept even further. Both pairs arrive in steel diamond plate-inspired boxes with a circular cutout lid, a detail that nods to the fisheye lens effect often tied to Hype Williams' most iconic work. That connection also links this release to Joe's earlier New Balance projects, including the 1998 pack that referenced Belly. The EQL raffle for the Joe Freshgoods New Balance 1890 pack, featuring both colorways at $200 each, has concluded. Registration was open until April 23rd at 11 a.m. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Footgear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.